Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce as a purchase order system instead of just using it just to sell like the usual way. The usual way is when people they browse your catalog, they browse your shop, and then they choose their item, they add to chart. After they add to chart, they go to view chart. This is the second part. And then in the view chart page, they can add quantity. They can also add the coupon code there, and then they proceed with checkout. And then after they proceed to this step, they fill in all the field, and then choose the payment gateway, and then they place order, they pay, and then that one considered as a purchase order. And then today I'm going to show you is what if we want to send different purchase order to different client. Okay, the first step you need to do is you go to the user tab, you add new. Let's say this one, add new. This one is okay, Tan. Okay, Tan. Support 88. Okay, this one, let's say I name it Roger Tan. Roger Tan. Then as a customer, the role is a customer. I add it. Okay, the email already registered. Sorry, 99. Okay, I already add it. So what you need to do is you go to the WooCommerce order page. Then click the add order here. Click the add order here. See this one. You can choose the status from here. The default is the pending payment. Okay. So just now the customer role is Roger, is it? Yeah, Roger. This one, 99. Roger Tan. So I can fill in all the address here, or if the customer already fill in this one will pop up here. So what I can do right now is I add item, add the product. Let's see what product I have. Duck breast. Okay, duck breast. I just need to tap the duck breast and then add it here. Quantity, how many quantity? This one is 28.99. Okay, so let's say I want to cut 2, then I add another line. Maybe just this one is a fresh. You just need to type a few character and then the system will search for you. Okay, so let's say this one, and then I add. You see this one I already add here. So if you want to edit the item, you can also do it here. Okay, so after you add all the item here, if you want to apply a coupon, you can also do it here. Then what you need to do is you choose the order action, email invoice to client. Then you just click the create. Okay, so let's say if your store you already activate, let's say the payment gateway. You already activate PayPal. So after you send it, your client can immediately pay, and then this status will change from pending payment to processing. The process is auto one. So let's say if you don't want to let them pay, you want to offer COD, you just do some setting here, and then this one you email the invoice to them, and then you can proceed from there. Actually just a mix of the setting that you need to tweak only. Okay, thank you very much.